Hi, I'm Seth Benzell at the MIT Initiative on the Digital Economy. Erik Brynjolfsson and I contributed an essay to the WIPO Technology Trends Report. Francis Bacon once said that knowledge is power. Those with knowledge can hire out their expertise, and those with resources or de jure power can only achieve their goals if they have the knowledge to make effective decisions. In the context of AI, the close relationship between knowledge and power has profound implications for economic growth and the centralization of authority. The human brain's an amazing thing, but it has its limitations. Where brains are the main tool for information storage and processing, there are constraints on the amount of knowledge a single individual or institution can harness. Improvements in ICTs and AI boost productivity, but can also reduce the amount of stakeholders who benefit from prosperity. IP policymakers will need to balance these interests. One area we've already seen changes taking place is in the decline of small-scale retail. Under the old technological regime, wholesalers needed to rely on those with local knowledge to distribute their products. This information constraint prevented firms from getting too large, and allowed many of those with detailed Hayekian knowledge to live dignified middle-class lifestyles as shopkeepers. But with the dramatic improvement of information technologies, companies like Walmart and Amazon can collect and collate increasingly vast amounts of data. This allows them to cut out middlemen, raising both efficiency and inequality. Technology has allowed us to overcome the biological limits on the concentration of power inherent in the limits of our human eyes, ears, and brains. But given the economics of digital information and processing power, it may be up to IP law to create new limits on centralization. Today, more than ever, knowledge is power, and that makes IP policymakers important power brokers.